The music I want to listen, and I want to listen in a very, very strong way, week in, week out, is the Roma song, the Roma anthem at the Olimpico. Because I have to be honest, even as an opponent, you know the words because it's so beautiful. So even as an opponent, I used to go to that stadium and enjoy so much that music with that passion. So now I am on that side. I want it very, very strong.